Hello beautiful people, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my 2 Valentine's Day look. I'm going to start off by the colorful one. I'm going to be going in my Summer in St. Tropez palette. I'm going to be dipping into this fuchsia hot pink color. I'm just really going to pack it all in there. I'm going to start off with the darkest shade. I've been blending like this lately and it's so much quicker. Now I'm going to dip into the light pink color in Villa and I'm really going to just blend out the edges. I know blending like this looks intimidating, but it's really going to pay out. Now I'm going to go back into that darker color in Sizzle and just really deepen up the look. Now we're going to be going into this shade Coastline, which is a beautiful pressed pigment. We're going to be cutting that crease and then popping that color right in there. Cutting your crease can be so tedious sometimes, you guys. I'm surprised I did this on camera. When I was packing the shade on there, I literally fell in love. It's so nice and bright. Look at that pigment, you guys. Oh my goodness. Literally get yourself a BH Cosmetics palette. They are so affordable and the pigment is beautiful. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Stena Lip Paint in Unlocked. I'm going to be using it as my eyeliner today. The Stena Lip Paint is really multi-purpose. In this shade, you need this for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to start off by creating a line all across my lid. And then I'm going to be working my way up and then creating that nice wing. For primer, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Silky Primer. It's my favorite in the smell of it. It's a light smell, but it's heaven sent. I highly suggest this for people with dry skin or combination. It really gives you that right amount of a moisture. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation in 240. 3 pumps is enough. Sometimes I get carried away, but 3 pumps is literally perfect with this foundation. For concealer, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Concealer in 235, which is a shade in the middle, not too light or too bright. For those of you watching this, today is my 1-year anniversary on YouTube. Saying that makes me so extremely happy. Can't wait to see where this journey takes me. Makeup is truly my passion. I just want to capture all these great memories with you guys and show you guys more about my life. But I wanted to say thank you so much for supporting my channel, you guys. Truly appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel and you're currently watching this, definitely subscribe and go check out my other videos. Now that that's all blended, I'm going to be finishing the rest of my eye. I'm going to be using lashes in Nicole from Naime Beauty. Now I'm just going to add little cute gems to my eye look because it just adds that extra pop. For bronzer, I'm going to be going in with my Caramel Cutie bronzer from Fenty Beauty. You guys, I love bronzing my face. It makes such a big difference, and you can contour with bronzer. Whoever says you can't, just tell them you're a liar and go on about your day, because bronzing is amazing and you can contour and bronze. So yeah. Now it's time to snatch that nose. So with my bronzer, I'm going to put 2 little lines on top of my nose, not on the side of my nose. Now I'm just contouring the tip of my nose by putting that little line there, and now I'm just going to blend everything out. And with blending it, I'm really going to tap in the product with my brush instead of really dragging it, because we don't want to take off that product off of your nose. For highlight, I'm going to be dipping into my James Charles palette in the shade Ring Light. It's my absolute favorite shade and inner corner highlight for everything. For my lips, I'm going to be going back into my Stena Lip Paint in Unlocked. I'm going to start in the center and really just work my way around. Look at this lipstick though, you guys. It is shining bright, okay? This lipstick is so bold. Like, this is a statement and I'm here for it. My first YouTube video ever, I actually wore this lipstick. To set my face, I'm going to be using my Bare Minerals Dew Mist. And that is it for the first look, you guys. A nice, colorful, and bright Valentine's Day look. Now on to the second look we go. For the second look, I really just wanted to do a more simple glam Valentine's Day look. You already know I had to give you those options, baby. For this second look, I'm going to be using my ABH Riviera palette in the color Cabana, and I'm going to just put that all over my lid. Cabana is a really good all-over transition shade. I'm going to be going into the color Palm, and I'm really going to pack it on my lid into the shape of a V, and I'm going to really just elongate those eyes. After you pack it and elongate your eyes, you definitely just want to buff everything out. Now you want to pack that dark shade into your inner corner and really just create a halo effect. Now that it's packed on there, you just want to buff everything out with your transition color. Now you just want to cut that crease in the center of your eye because we are creating that halo eye. Now we're going to go into the color Yacht and put that in the center of the eye, and ooh, that is shining. Now I'm going to go back into that shade Ring Light for my inner corner. Mascara, I'm going to use my Buxom mascara. It's so amazing and volumizing. You always want to make sure you get the front and back of your lashes and go back and forth. For my moisturizer, I'm going to use my Drunk Elephant Polypeptide Cream. It's perfect for all skin types. For my primer, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. You guys already know this is my favorite primer. And then for my foundation, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Foundation in 240. I really love a nice glowy hydrated skin. I really love this Fenty Beauty foundation brush. I use it all the time. It's so easy to use and to buff with. And for concealer, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Concealer in 235. What is your makeup order? I honestly change mine depending on the look I do. If it's a super eyeshadow based look, I'm gonna do my eyes first before my foundation. But if it's not based on the eyes, I will do my foundation first. Let me know in the comment section down below, what's your makeup order? That's why I love makeup, because it's literally customized and based on your preference. Now that it's all blended, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Caramel Cutie to contour my face. You already know the nose will get snatched. Remember to put the contour on top of your nose rather than on the side of your nose, because you don't want your nose to appear bigger. That would be the opposite of contouring. Ooh. Whew, that looks harsh, but don't worry, it's all a process, you guys. The blending process will conquer. When contouring, always make sure to connect the jawline to the chin so you really have that nice chiseled effect, and so you don't know where the contouring starts. Now that that's all bronzed up, I'm going to be going in with my Buxom blush in Wonderlust. It's absolutely so cute. When you're applying your blush, you want to make sure you smile first. Apply it to the apples of your cheeks. Sometimes people steer away from blushes because of the color, but really blush is supposed to be just a flush of color. And if the blush is ever too harsh, you can just grab the foundation brush you were using and just really blend that all together. For my lips today, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Stena Lip Paint in Uncensored. This is truly an iconic lipstick. The most iconic red lips since Ruby Woo. And that's saying a lot, you guys. I always start in the center of my lips, and then I just work my way around. Wow, like look at this color, you guys. I'm gonna be overlining my lips a little today, but not too much. To set my face today, I'm going to be using my Bare Minerals Dew Mist. This setting spray will literally last you all day long and will leave your skin looking amazing. Ah, so refreshing. And that is it for this second look, you guys. I hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day. Even if you don't have a Valentine's Day, go out and spend it with your friends. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I wanted to do something simple and something colorful for you guys to pick from. It is my 1-year YouTube anniversary, and I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys until next time. Keep shining. Comment, like, and subscribe.